The most wanted feature in Filmora is color grading. So why color grading is very important? Well, basically we use it for two reasons. Number one, to make corrections on color and light of the original footage. And the number two, to make a color convey the emotion of the content in a beautiful and artistic way. So how do we do it? Let me show you how. We already added few sample videos in this media section. Now I add a sample one in my timeline. Alright, now I double click on this and simply click on advance. And this is our sample video. Alright, here you see there is a feature white balance. Under white balance there are two different sliders, one is temperature and one is tint. You can add coldness or you can add hot effect in your video clip using this temperature slider. I just add some coldness. Also you can add little tint in your video. Under color section, you can add exposure, brightness. Also you can add or minimize contrast of your video. Not only that, you can also change vibrance and saturation as well. I just add little bit more cold effect. Under light, you can control your video light as well. By changing this highlight slider, you can minimize, you can add more highlighted effect in your video clip. Also you can add shadow, white and black as well. Under HSL, here you see 8 different color. That means you can control these 8 different color in your video. This time I add this blue color and let's change this hue. Look, our blue color is just changing. Look, this is sky color. Got it right? Suppose if you want to change this green color, then click on this green color and now change the value of hue. Actually, using this HSL, you can change the particular color of your video. Under vignette, you can add or resize this vignette effect in your video. For this case, I just uncheck this one. Alright, let's play this video now. If you want to save this color tuning, then click on Save Preset. This time I type Beauty and hit on OK. By saving this, we can use the same settings in our future footage. To see the before and after preview, then click on this AB and click side by side view. And this is the before and this is the after effect. Super cool, right? The another great feature in Filmora is there's a lots of built-in presets available in this software. If you want to add cool effect in your video, simply double click on this. Awesome, right? You can add cool max effect, warm max effect by just simply double click any of these presets. If I click on this drop down menu, here you see a bunch of different category. This is the film presets and this is the 3D load. By just simply double click any of these presets, you can apply this particular effect in your video clip. If I click on custom and under custom, Here you see our recently saved preset, which is called Beauty. Now I just simply select Cool and hit on OK. This is basically the use of color grading in Filmora video editing software. Thank you so much for watching.